Welcome to our MMF project here at Teesside in Middlesbrough in the United Kingdom. We as BAUER are proud to be contracted for the foundation works of the world's largest monopile factory together with our CFA partner in a joint venture. Our scope of work consists of 1,700 rotary bore piles at 1,050 mm diameter between 25 and 35 meter deep. A project of this size requires a high level of resources for which we very much focus on local workers and diversity within our teams, as usual for BAUER projects. At the peak we had 15 rigs on site in total, 7 of them came from our own BAUER fleet. The concurrent design in combination with a very tight schedule is one of the main challenges of this project.
K2 Construction Management are the first business managing the construction of the project on the UK's first and largest Freeport, and are able to partner with piling specialists such as BAUER, supporting us in being able to deliver an exceptional service to the client. This is an extremely large and technically complex project. BAUER's ability to mobilise early and commence phases of work has meant this project remains on track. BAUER's expertise and agility, coupled with their commitment to the communities in which we work, are of paramount importance to the success of this project.
Construction works started mid-August 2022. Despite all challenges faced, we will deliver this project in time by the beginning of August this year. Great teamwork is the main driver of our success, which makes me also very proud.